in a world where you need to keep your custom handmade Tama Imperial Star drums looking and performing like the day you bought them, there's only one company to turn to: Anvil. Hey folks, Tiki Jeremiah here, and recently I decided to reline the foam on the inside of my Amvil cases, and I realized they look and perform the same way they did when I bought them, and there's only one reason for that. Anvil, baby. So if you're a touring musician, for all of your musical equipment and stage and lighting equipment, check them out at calzoneanvil.com. That's calzoneanvil.com. Shake a leg, baby.